Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your money on hold on PayPal. First, navigate to your PayPal account activity to view the transaction with held funds. Locate the specific transaction details to understand why your money is currently being held. PayPal often provides clear instructions directly within your account or through email notifications, guiding you on the next crucial steps to take. This initial check is essential for a smooth and efficient resolution process. Several common scenarios can lead to funds being held. If you are a new seller or haven't sold much recently, PayPal might place funds on hold as a security measure. Similarly, selling high-value items or a sudden increase in sales volume can trigger these holds. It's a way for PayPal to ensure the transaction is completed smoothly for both parties. For transactions involving physical items, the quickest way to release your funds is by adding tracking information. Make sure to use a shipping service that provides a clear, verifiable tracking number. Once the tracking shows that the item has been successfully delivered to the buyer, PayPal usually releases the funds within about 24 hours. This step is critical for a fast resolution. If you've sold a service or an intangible item, like a digital download, the process is slightly different. You should mark the order as shipped in your PayPal account. Then, respectfully ask your buyer to confirm receipt of the service or item directly through their own PayPal account. Once they do, your funds are typically released much faster, often within a few days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.